a very important thing which you have.
Now start again.
Yes, sir. So the same like the energy is flowing like a river flowing, that anatomy is the base of medical profession. If this base is, I think, not completely made, like just last session you were telling about that why the sacrum and the his bones are fused, because to give the support to the body. So I think same like the anatomy is the base for our profession. If we are learning it properly, although we learned previously, but now it's a refreshing, and with the sequence how you are telling about, I think
What
we
the most important thing is for you to see that, okay, there's a single person, he's a human being, okay? He's sitting there in front of us, and he's starting from where he is going and how he is naming all these names, okay? Ultimately, you will feel that he is also a human being, but he is remembering everything, okay?
yeah,
So the
definitely.
same way spontaneity, he's not having a PowerPoint, he's not having a chart, and then he's reading the names, okay? And he's telling that actions and testing everything. So think of that if you program your mind, everything is possible, okay?
Exactly.
So, and also the dedicated after work, okay, how we actually keep on teaching, that is the thing which we actually makes us to remember, right?
Right, sir. So I think it's a very useful session for all of us. We are learning together, and I think all thing will be refreshed in our mind in a
Because
particular.
what happens in this anatomy textbook is superior part of lateral border, and then upper one third of the posterior border, okay, and then it goes here. Imagine that now, upper one third posterolateral, then tubercle, where the attachment. It's very difficult.
Right,
When
sir.
you see functional anatomy, that anterior muscles, they are flexors, medial rotator. That's all.
Really,
That is
that
there
is really
anteriorly.
clear.
These are the muscles. Superficial, deep, small, and large. Okay, and then posterior is there, inferior is there, superior is there. This is what you see. Elbow means which are flexors, which are extensors, which are laterally there, which are medially there. That's all. And what is there? Action oriented. Like extensors means they will supinate. Flexors, common flexors will pronate. Okay? This is what is needed actually. And what we are going to do by what is called as even the supraglenoid tubercle or infraglenoid tubercle also, what is only thing is because it is inferior, it will adduct. Okay, triceps. The biceps which is superior will abduct. Long head, that's why it abducts. Okay, short head which is anterior will flex. So that is the principle where the anterior is there means. Okay? This is what we need to know. And later thing you talk about as per your interest, then you can develop more and more knowledge and explore that region. Okay, because you have that specific passion to develop interest in the anatomy domain there. Okay, otherwise you need a broader one. You need to see that all this. I'm just introducing here. Of course, regional anatomy is still there. Okay, upper limb anatomy is there separate, lower limb anatomy is there, spine anatomy is there. So thorax anatomy is there. So everything. Okay. So you will get a regional perspective, but I will not go to landmark. I'll just tell these are all the bony landmarks, shoulder. So that bony landmarks, what are all, which muscles where, which ligaments where. Okay. So that is what will be the thing. And it is useful for palpation, useful for symptom is there anteriorly means which all structures we should think. Okay. This is what we need to know. So that is definitely very shortcut. Okay.
Because if it is clear that origin to insertion, which muscles are working, and like that in a lower abdomen, lower limbs, you are saying that the direction is changed from insertion to origin, that all the muscles are going in upper in limbs that are origin to a insertion. So I think it's a very mechanics of that particular muscle will tell about their at what place they are coming and from what place to what place they are going, according to that in between which muscles are, according to their shape, according to their length, that we can if recognize, then we can easily palpate also, like in the instability you were telling na, that palpation is most important for instability. So if we know their proper house from where from where they are going, like you are telling about the journey, one destination to another destination. So I think if it is easy, then we can palpate easily. So it will recollect all the things in a proper way, so that we can distinguish between the symptoms according to their origin or insertion and their action of that particular muscle. So it's very important, like in all these full session, you have given a very great view of the muscles according to their shape, according to their action, according to their structure, either the major, minor, or superior or inferior, according to their work profile and what they are in.
After this, if you see any regional muscle names, if you see neck muscles or you see thorax everywhere, you will feel like you are familiar. Okay, this I know already. Okay, that is like that. I told only once, but you will still feel like you are remembering. That is the power of the togetherness. Okay, it's not my power alone. It's all of us being together. So you will see that difference when you are opening the anatomy text and you are reading for muscles. Okay?
In your videos,
or even muscle chart poster.
In your previous videos, you have sent that the superficial layer, middle layer, and the deep layer of muscles, which you were explaining today. That time that video was rounding and rounding in my brain, that how you were explaining that the erector spinae, multifidus. That is, I think now more we are going in.
All those videos will come as study materials. Okay?
Yeah.
In anatomy, I have not distributed any study materials because some of them have not paid the fee. The other people, okay, not the core committee. But you see that no, because sometimes we give the study material. After that, they will tell that they are not able to pay the fee. They'll request. So a lot of things will come. Okay, so unnecessarily why? And those who have done that full packages, you already have the videos. Okay?
Yeah,
the anatomy,
okay.
biomechanics, and the
Yes,
physical examination and differential diagnosis.
Yes, sir.
So in that, so of course, anatomy has been part of the pathomechanics in various courses. Okay, when I was actually trying to cover, so it is always there. In surface anatomy, palpation also is there in examination also.
Yes, yes, sir.
So it is out, right?
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Very
So
nice.
from Mansi.
Yes, sir. All good, sir. Only point I want to say is this course is not shying away from telling the basic information. You are actually including the spellings. You are actually including the basic actions. That is very important from a BPTH who is doing undergraduate or a first year point of view. So it needs a lot of patience there, because teaching, going to the very basic of telling the spellings and telling the actions, because you might say, the one who are sitting in front, they might be knowing or they might not, but then you are taking a lot of, with patience, I think you are teaching everything. So it is wonderful, sir. Extremely awesome.
No, you should never assume that these things all
Yes.
of them knows. All
Yes,
are yours.
yes.
So why to tell that? Okay,
Correct.
because this video can be purchased by a first year BPT.
Yes, sir.
Although we don't have any first year BPT registering anything anywhere, but some of them are diploma holders who are doing the BPT.
Yes.
Like for example, Rabia, she's actually doing that. Okay, or it may be even in future, maybe Chandrasekhar sir. Okay, so there may be a situation which will demand them to do a BPT, and plus otherwise also to talk with physicians, you need anatomy. Okay? So the moment you tell that anteriorly there, you just give the ultrasound means. You tell that yes sir, I will check whether it is pectoralis major or minor, anterior deltoid or coracobrachialis. Something you tell. Among these four muscles, I will see which one is problem, then I will give ultrasound. Imagine the reaction of the orthopedic surgeon after that. Okay?
Yes.
He will look at you like you are real physiotherapist. Okay? It's not like anterior shoulder. Yes, anterior shoulder pain is there. Okay, sir. Ultrasound you give. Okay, sir, I'll give ultrasound. Then chart ultrasound given to anterior aspect of shoulder. Okay? Even if you don't test these muscles differently, at least you tell the names of those muscles itself. The orthopedic surgeon will give an added thing that he knows. Because they would have forgotten. MBBS, they learned the anatomy. And the MS, only surgery. Okay. If it is shoulder surgery, then they will know the shoulder anatomy. If they are knee surgeon or hip surgeon, they will not remember the shoulder anatomy. Okay. So that is the reason. And sometimes the physio remembers, they will feel like, yes, he knows the patient. Okay. He knows the conditions and he can treat better. So always it just goes a long way in showing you as a medical professional. Okay. But to patient, no need to tell that you have pectoralis major, anterior deltoid, you're fine. Don't tell. Structural focus to patients, you should never talk. Okay. Even if it's an educational intervention, talk in terms of mechanics. Okay. Your sitting posture, your upper limb activity. Okay. So those things. And you can tell like muscles. Okay. That is the term. That itself is the last option. You don't tell the name of the muscles. If the name of the muscle is told, more and more chronic pain will come. Okay. They'll memorize that name and they will tell that I have rotator cuff tear. Okay. And they will keep showing you the MRI. Okay. See the MRI. So you have to treat the MRI and the problem is the rotator cuff tear. Okay. So something like that. So make sure that we are movement scientists. So mechanics is important for us. Muscles also mechanics is important. Perspective, right?
Yes, sir.
Mansi, do you want to add anything?
Yes, sir. I also wanted to say you are working on the pronunciation also. Because yesterday, I think the first lecture you mentioned, it is not ulna, it is elna. So, I mean, some therapists, I mean, of course, it is not their fault, whatever they have heard.
And I want to make it more relating to something. Okay. For example, like, because first time people hearing these names means to what they will relate. Innominate bone, they'll think of dinosaur, Indominus rex. Okay. Something like that. So, as the strongest bone, femur is, okay, feminine. Nobody can forget that because they are the strongest. Okay. So as per the law and order, okay, if unless they think they are weak, then others start exploiting. Okay. Otherwise, women, they are the strongest. Okay. So they feel happy, they feel proud that I am a woman means they are strongest. They need not feel that I am strong. Okay. Feel that I am a woman. That itself will make you strong. Okay. But when it comes to Ayyo, I am a woman, means that even if the lion feels like this, rat will come and jump on the lion. Okay. So remember that. Make sure that use that for upliftment of the field, inspiring the people around, building teams, and a concrete work for the future. Okay, that today we are there, tomorrow we are not there. Also, what will be the work? Okay? So it has to go on like that. That is the actual reality. Yes, Darshana.
Yes, sir. Really enjoying the session. I think it's just refreshing. Since so many
Even if you have not studied it, somebody is not studied the first time they are listening also. Video is there. Okay, they will listen to that video. Then go back to the book. Book will be complicated. Okay, so then definitely they cannot study the book. In first year PPT, nobody can study the book. Okay, they look at the cadaver. Nothing will be clear in cadaver. Only labels are there, but everything is same only. Okay, all are brown color, light brown color, dark brown, okay, chocolate brown. In women, you can see all different colors of brown. For man, it is like brown only. Everything is brown in the cadaver. Okay, so it's very tough to actually differentiate and identify the structures. Some anatomy textbooks are 3D. The DVD or the CDs, they give different, like even dissection like that itself, it has come virtual human body atlas. So you click that, next layer, click that, next layer, next layer, like that, deep, we can go. And you click on that region and then select, it will give the detail about that region, information also, as apps. Okay, they are paid apps, like you can, it's cheaper. Okay? For people who are digitally, they want to learn, they can do that. Okay. But if you see clinically, that means some of the anatomy is going to go on with the demonstration on our Gautam only. Okay? So I'm going to put some artwork on him and make him that the anatomy tattoo boy. Okay. So, and after that, I'm going to show you that the surface anatomy and everything. Okay. So, right?
Yes.
Itu ma'am is in kitchen, huh? Right. So we can close the session now.
Yes, sir.
Girish, Dr. Rabia, Dr. Chaitanya, yeah, also she joined only for today's webinar. So they are all there as like one day CM, one day webinar, and they have joined, but they joined AOMPT as members. So that is something which is important. Dr. Sunil, Dr. Chaitanya, can you come on screen? Our General Secretary, Dr. Darshana, our core committee members, Dr. Ritu and Mansi. I want them to see you both. Dr. Chaitanya and Dr. Sunil. Yes, Dr. Sunil. I will enable the unmute. Dr. Chaitanya, ma'am.
Good evening to all. I think it's a good class for all the revisions for myology and some point to review to all the things. Be on class, not to be details in all these courses. So I think it's a good idea for class and some review all these.
So you enjoy the session.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it is like I want to give a new difference. Okay, that first year, whatever anatomy, we all didn't have that foundation. Okay, so now when it comes as clinical foundation, then it has to go on. So like that. Okay.
Some tricks, some remarkable point, some locations, some factors. So we can easily remember all these methods.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Dr. Chaitanya, ma'am, wish you good luck, sir. Dr. Sunil, I would be, what to say, the topic will be more justified if you enroll for the full anatomy course, which is more than 100 master classes like this. So, full visceral, full upper limb, lower limb, spine, everything, okay, including the pelvis, thorax, everything. So, full course will be definitely a life transforming. Okay? And, the study materials which are there also, a lot of videos already there. More than
Good
50
evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's like a very refreshing session, sir. I
Yes,
studied
Dr.
my
Chaitanya,
BPT first.
Go on
Yeah,
All India Radio.
I studied my BPT first year
Come on
15
screen.
years back.
Dr. Darshana, Dr. Ritu, Dr. Sultan, see ya. Even I wanted to see you.
Sir, yes, sir.
Dr. Rabia came on screen before. Video unmute. Dr. Chaitanya.
Sir.
Yes.
Actually, I studied my BPT some 15 years ago, sir. First year, BPT first year. But like today's session is like, so I can't sit and study again BD Chaurasis book, taking the BD Chaurasis book and again upper limb, lower limb, head and neck and all. So today's session is like, if I want to study, I would take 1 year or 6 months. Within this 1 year session, you refreshed everything, sir. Really. So I got a gap, sir. Like I had a child, so I was not working from the last 2 years.
You trust me. Dr. Darshana also, Dr. Ritu also, Dr. Mansi also, all three who are there with you on the screen have had bigger experiences of the gaps. Okay?
Yeah.
And they are all here for 2 years and 1 year. They are continuously doing all the courses of AOMPT because it is the life version 2.0. Okay? After children. So
I didn't know actually. I saw you like in that Sunita madam's webinar. So like I searched in the net and then I got to know and like I enrolled, sir, actually. So I'm planning to enroll for all the courses. I didn't know that.
Yeah, sure. Because the video courses is like lifelong and at your leisure you can just watch. Mansi also purchased the videos. I don't think so how much he watched. Okay, but I can be confident that Darshana and Ritu watch. Okay. Darshana watched it maybe twice. After that, some gap again was there. Okay. And Ritu ma'am watches 5th time, but still she feels it is first time. Okay, every time when she is watching, and it makes her to learn every time extra. That is what I am telling. Okay,
Yes,
not
sir.
like she
Yes.
forgot the earlier ones. She is learning
Sir,
extra
that-
with every time what she watches. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Somehow there are
Cervical
enjoying.
muscles that, like how you explain that rectus, iliocostalis, that really I didn't know the meaning. Though I studied like MPT also I have done it. So what's the meaning of it? I studied really when I was doing the dry needling
Even now,
course.
if somebody asks erecta spinae, okay, you can always tell the 4 muscles: iliocostalis, longissimus,
Yes, sir. Yes.
then rotatoris, semispinalis, splenius. Okay, so you can
So
tell
I
somehow
studied,
cervicis, thoracis, lumborum, something here and there, right and
Yeah,
wrong. But you tell confidently, people will think that, oh, okay, you know full spine names you are telling it.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes, sir.
most of the spinal manual therapists only, they won't tell the names. Okay, they will
Yeah.
tell erecta spinae trigger points. Okay,
That nothing
don't
was
know
new,
how to-
but everything is new, sir. Like when I started listening to you, nothing was new. I know every muscle, I know every organ institution, but everything is new now. It's like what the
Wonderful, wonderful words. Words for the evening that nothing is new, but everything is new. Wow,
everything is
wonderful.
new. It's like
Wonderful basket, words of basket you have given us, that it's a really very nice meaning that
it's
nothing is new.
actually
But
fact,
everything is
ma'am.
new.
Nothing is new. We have studied everything like ever since we have like started our profession, but everything new every day. It's like I learned so many new terms and like okay, this is how I should remember the surface anatomy or what. So like it's made easy now. I have done the dry needling course also. It's like every time, sometimes it is very difficult for me to like like fetch the muscle and the surface anatomy. So now what you like till upper limb and the thorax abdomen. Now yes, now it is on my fingertips now. Like that. Again I have to go on back to and read it. But somehow like I had a like very good knowledge about it now. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Nice to hear that. Make sure that keep your positive passion. Okay? The passion
Yes,
to
sir,
grow,
yes, sir.
keep on
Yes,
multiplying.
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do well.
Yes, sir.
Right? So, what, Darshana?
Nothing. I'm just listening.
You are
to
not
her.
telling Dr. Chaitanya anything.
No, I was just listening to her and I was just, correlating things, yes, there's been years, we do have gaps in between, but then when we attend your courses, we have been attending and we know better how we have grown, so much. In the anatomy, but so many new techniques. It's definitely a version 2 of my life, surely. Version 2 of my life. I have changed completely. The way I see patients now, like I feel like confident. Wow, I know the muscles. I know exactly the technique I learned from you. It really makes a lot of anatomy as ma'am was. Yes, it's very important because when we are patient, we are so confident. Yes, we know what we are seeing. Anatomy course itself. I'm sure people relate to this, like what we was lateral aspect, that's not in details. What we really need to know is from origin.
Because unnecessarily, you see, students are getting overloaded with what is that is not needed. Huh?
After the clinical
And it makes them to feel like exhausted. Okay.
Yes.
Rather than even mathematics also, you see now many formulas have come which they are putting in the reels and the charts, and you see that 19 number table you can finish like this also. Okay. We used to count and then we used to write those tables. Okay. Our instruction system should change. Okay. We are not making it inaccurate because of this. We are making it more simpler and more relevant, more realistic. So that way.
It's the differentiation in the muscles by the actions to know the dysfunctions. So that is what we really need. So that's why I feel very confident about the courses. Yes, thank you so much. And yeah, welcome Chaitanya and Dr. Sunil.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice to have you today.
Thank you, ma'am. This term was very new, sir. Like what you said is like from the embryology, the origin is like it grows from a bird. So the term is like very new for me. Like, yeah, now I can correlate so many things with that word. Yeah.
That I will give a lot of examples, even superficial fascia. Okay? You want to pinch somebody, you are able to pinch them, normal. Not able to pinch them, superficial fascia is thick, more fat. Okay?
Yeah.
So these kind of things I'll tell so that people can remember, okay, where more
Yes,
fat
yes.
is there. Same way,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So hope that you are also joining them as batchmates now for the full anatomy course now. Okay,
Sir.
and enjoy the sessions.
Sir.
The way you are describing, I can feel that depth of what is called as an enlightenment. Okay, that
Definitely, sir.
today's
Definitely it
session
is there.
it has brought in you.
Definitely it is there. Actually, I was waiting. Like I usually used to think like, can someone come and shower me with that knowledge or whatever it is. Like I was thinking unknowingly like, if someone come and like refresh everything. So that's not possible. Actually, I have not come across through anyone. If I go through the videos also, that was simply nothing. Nothing goes into my mind. So it's like I was just thinking like that, can someone come and like, you know, put everything into my mind in one go. So it happened today.
That you don't worry. If you are attending the class regularly, that someone open the head and put the knowledge inside. Okay.
Yes, I really wanted.
You won't be even affording to imagine also to relax. Okay. That,
Yeah.
And you
Yes,
ask that Darshana and Dr. Ritu, they know very well. Okay. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Okay.
It's fun. It's definitely fun because I mean for we physios who are having these gaps, you know, in the practice, for them this is of everything and confidence. That's what I can say. And you come back, you know, again to that. Okay, I'm more confident now. So that is needed, and that is what we have got from sir.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Actually, yes.
Very nice. And I think this our course curriculum also now we should have physios like sir, you know, who can teach anatomy instead of those medical doctors who teach anatomy. They should teach anatomy from the physical therapy point of view. What you
Actually, yeah.
Ritu ma'am is showing that Mandy so that people will ask her after Karwa Chauth.
No, sir. It's a very normal
Nobody is
thing.
asking her anything. Huh?
No, sir. It's a very normal thing. Everybody knows that yesterday was a Karwa Chauth. And we have not seen the moon. That is also a very mystery this year.
Oh, fully.
Yeah. There was no moon yesterday.
Just anyway, keep it in the laptop and then see.
Yeah.
Online you see the moon.
We have
Live moon. Streaming.
Virtual moon.
The moon is visible somewhere in the world. Nah? From
Yeah.
there they are streaming live. So that's all.
that my husband has no hair on his forehead, on his head. Na? He see that this is a moon. You can give that. I can open your path, eat the food. I am giving you a permission. After that, 11
Good.
o'clock.
If he was a
Nice.
bit romantic, he would have shown you a mirror and told that this is the moon. Okay.
So after getting a permission from his side, I have taken my food and water at 11 o'clock night, because that time I was going to sleep, that I will sleep without food and water. But he said, no, you eat and sleep, no problem.
If you sleep like that, means you will really go to the moon only overnight. So that is
Exactly
better.
right. Yes, sir. Very nice,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome Chaitanya
See you.
ma'am and AMPT family.
you, ma'am.
You will really enjoy all the sessions and other courses also, because we are learning from last 1.5 years. I think approximate 2 years are going to complete with AMPT, and definitely you will also enjoy these session with learning, and automatically with the learning you will enjoy also. There is not anything that you will get the tension or a burden. You will enjoy.
And
Easy
remember
learning.
that how many years gap it was there. It is worth it because it is perfect. At the same time, God also knows that you are such a person. So you need to get it, means you will get years of information in 1 hour. So same like that. So there will be things which will come to you. You just have to take your steps, trust in yourself. And anyway, here collectively people are there. They are the most strongest force, okay, behind
Yes, sir.
AOMPT. So
Sir.
easily you will definitely enjoy, okay, the collective
Yes, sir.
positive energy and the inspiration, okay, mutual
Yes, sir.
inspiration, right? So good luck to you.
Many topics,
Thank
and
you, sir.
we discuss the course also in the group. You will enjoy. Welcome,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, sir. Bye, everyone.
So we'll close the recording,
Yes, sir.
ma'am.
Sir, I am going to point some tent outside the house because temperature is going so high.
That is okay. You are anyway becoming tandoori only, but you have to tell the closing words, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Hare Krishna, ma'am. Hare Krishna, sir.